In this video, we're talking about 375 AI token, legit or scam. Before buy this token, do your own personal research, friends. This is based off AI drive insights of the edge. This is versus decentralized edge data. You have just like apps, guys. This is a network to help create smarts and more connected world. You can download this app on Google Play or App Store. This is the app. You have 23 rating. This is a new app you can use to discover this app from here. Just download and you can start using this app. This is deploying nodes, contributing faster, more efficient network. You have app, guys, designed to simplicity and security mind, offer gamified way to join community. You can also join community. You can earn your rewards. You have privacy first design, community integrations, and more you can discover here. So friends, if I scroll down, this is the website. This is a new world based on AI network, and this is some information about this token. You can trade, quant trade. You have a lot of things here. So this is a partner. If I click on the partner, I see different partner here with Solana. You can see here you have a lot of partner here. So guys, the price is $0.033. The bullish is 90%. All-time high of this token. You can take all-time high idea, almost 1 billion of this token. Max supply also 1 billion. The holders is 12,000 member. This token, friends, listed on popular exchange like Bybit, like KuCoin, like Bitmart, Kraken, Tobit, and other exchange platform. So if I check token unlocks, so this is unlocks progress is 21%, lock 78%. This is community reward 34% for foundations, 21 investors 20%. So guys, I see some engaging here in this community. This is good insight. Also, top 10 token, guys, this KuCoins, huge volume and KuCoins listed, you can see here. So guys, if I check the transaction here, for the transaction, if I see a transaction volume or not, I see a lot of transaction here. This is good insight. So friends, before investing on those tokens, do your own